So hi everyone, welcome to VIH group. Today I'm going to tell you a lot of things which is probably related to developers, cybersecurity, and the biggest mistake that a developer and the people can do in the cyber world. So this is very important video. So if you're a developer, if you're a cybersecurity person, just listen very carefully because the mistake Perplexity just made is something you can't afford to repeat, right? Even if you're a startup, if you are a big company, right? So first, like what is Perplexity? Perplexity.ai is the main website of Perplexity, right? So this is basically one of the world fastest growing AI company that we have right now. We didn't secured one simple domain. You can see AI, right? So probably they have .com as well. So why I'm saying Perplexity hacked, because I'm going to tell you about why I'm saying all those things. So there was a domain that they have not purchased, which is a TLD, which means TLD means top level domain. So it's very important for developers and cybersecurity people as well. That's why I'm creating this video. So for example, .com is a top level domain. .in is a top level. .gov. Okay. Let's say AI is right now top level domain. So all these are top level, which is called TLD. So they were not able to secure one TLD, right? And Google is getting redirected to Perplexity website. So yes, this is a competitor now controlling the version of your identity of Perplexity. So what exactly you feel like? It's an Indian company, so probably someone is backing someone so that the AI company will not grow. What exactly you feel? Just let me know in the comment box. So guys, let me show you website perplexity.in, right? Probably if you're Indian, then IN is the Indian TLD, right? If so, you can see Gemini.google.com is getting redirected via .in, right? Which is, you might be shocked while seeing this thing, right? So I'll show you once again. Perplexity.in get redirected to Gemini.google.com. So I'll tell you how to investigate all those things, and you'll get to know who is behind, right? Is Google is doing the same thing or someone else? Probably. So but before that, what are the things? Let's see if there is any cyber criminals who have created this thing, then what can be happened. First thing, a fake login page can be created. For example, if it's redirecting to, like it's redirecting to gemini.google.com, but if it will stay to perplexity.in, then probably they will create a fake login page for Perplexity, like where your account can be taken over. Okay, there will be like download app link in the bottom. They might add download link, download app, right? And you will be able to download the fake application, which will be a kind of malicious application. So there are consequences can be happened, right? And there's a thousands of users who actually trusted it instantly because it's IN, so it's a top level domain. So as a developer, like always, what exactly we do, and not I'm not a developer. Basically, I'm a cybersecurity folk. So if a developer, it's not about the code quality, right? Always what we take care of is code quality, right? We look for the code quality at first. We look for the server security. We look for the API rate limit. We look for the input sanitizations, and we look for the CI/CD pipeline. But we forgot the basic thing, which is domain security is always equal to brand security, and brand security is always equal to user security. So this is the main point. So if your product domain isn't protected, your entire identity become attack surface, right? So it's not about losing the traffic, it's all about losing the trust. One unregistered domain is enough for impersonating the attacks, clone website, fake APIs, and a lot more things. So Perplexity isn't a mistake, it's a teaching lesson, right? Secure every domain variation of your brand, especially the ones attackers would target. So it might be .com, .in, .co, .dev, .app, .ai, like whatever Perplexity includes, right? So you need to secure. This is first thing. Second thing is, you think domain is quitting is harmful. Yes, as a security researcher, it's one of the oldest but most effective attack vectors, and Perplexity just gave the entire world a perfect live example, right? Live example of biggest mistake that a biggest company done. So developer found a security pros. If you're building a product, secure a domain now. And if cheaper than a bridge, cheaper than losing trust, right? So, and yes, definitely cheaper than letting the competitors hijack your traffic, right? So it's not about, isn't just branding, it's this is cybersecurity. So let me check out who is behind. So you can check out about perplexity.in. So let me check who is lookup. Okay, so let's check who is online, who is right. You can see perplex name perplexity.in, domain ID, all those things. Registration contact detail is not available. Mailing address is okay. This is for a strand. Domain owner, right? Technical contact New York, unassigned. So guys, probably like Google is having their own domain provider. See, Google is behind. Probably they are going to purchase from their own, but it's purchased from GoDaddy. So probably Google is not purchasing all those things. So guys, I'll tell you one thing. Like probably someone is doing this SETI thing, but what I feel like Google might be behind, right? It's not a assumption, it's just a guess, right? What you feel, just let me know in the comment box, and subscribe if you want more real incident like this explained for the depths and security minds. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.